Hello physios, get back to my channel. Today we are going to learn fadism under pressure. What does it mean? What purposes you will use for it? Okay? Yes. Its purpose to relieve edema. How it comes to relieve edema? It is by the electrical stimulation of the muscles that generally acts as a muscle pump. It may be combined with the compression and elevation of the limb to increase the venous and lymphatic return so that it may be relieved edema by the help of only the vaadic stimulation. Next, preparation of trace. What will be the material in trace? Crib bandage, Macintosh. Macintosh is nothing, it's a tray. Yes, or we may not be used in fadism under pressure. Macintosh, straps, pad electrodes, Vaseline, stimulator. Preparation of the apparatus, like we used to cross check the wires, cables, switches. We should be checking going on. Then position of therapist, standing. Position of patient, supine or sitting, arm abducted, forearm supinated, palm facing upwards. Placement of pads and electrodes. For upper limb, if the edema is there, we used to keep pads on flexor, arm contact and forearm. Lower limb, active electrode over calf muscles and passive electrode over neck or fibula. For what purposes? Like you should be indicated, like soft tissue injury, lymphedema, varicose ulcers. Contraindications? Yes, you should know what are the contraindications you should not to be used if the patient has fever, hypertension, if there is no sensation. How come they feel the muscle getting contracted? Open wounds, metals in tissues. Instructions to the patients that we should be guided, like explaining feel and purpose, and you should not touch the apparatus, and inform if any burning, and inform if any excessive current passes. You should be tell to the patient. Treatment time and weekly. Treatment time is almost 15 to 20 minutes we can take it, and weekly we can go for 5 to 7 sessions. This is the fadism under pressure when they have asked for 5 marker. Mostly they used to ask for 5 marker. Purpose, preparation of trace, apparatus, position of therapist, position of patient, indications, contraindications, placement of pads and electrodes, instructions, treatment time. Next comes the fadic foot bath. I like fadic foot bath. Why? Because I am the one of the model in my class have been excited to sit and have been contracted to my foot. Okay, what comes? What are the things to be there here? Its purpose is to re-educate the intrinsic foot muscles. I think everyone knows intrinsic foot muscles has there are 4 layers, extensor, digital minimi, all those layers. Preparation of trace, like we have foot bath, pen electrode, tap, water. Preparation of apparatus, we should be checking the wires, cable wires, switches. Position of patient, sitting with hips and knees are flexed and maintain the position. Position of therapist, walk, stand. Placement of electrodes, for we will be using for 3 muscles like lumbricals, plantar interossei, abductor hallucis muscles. Lumbricals should be using 2 electrodes placed transversely across the bottom of the bath, one under the heel and the other obliquely. Obliquely must be placed under your metatarsal heads. Next, plantar interossei, place 1 electrode on each side of foot. Abductor hallucis, 1 electrode under heel and stimulate with pen electrode. You should be stimulate with pen electrode on the medial side. The abductor hallucis will be on medial side. You should be stimulated with pen electrode on the medial side. Next, unipolar bath and bipolar bath. As you use both legs, it is bipolar. One leg unipolar, as if one electrode is in bath and the circuit is completed by a paired electrode, or an electrode is in another bath. It is called unipolar bath. Adding some salt to unipolar bath, it results in greater current passage, so that the tissues get more current passing through. And bipolar bath, if both the electrodes are in use in same bath with the part to be treated, it is called bipolar bath method. But adding salt to the bipolar bath will decrease the current. Okay, remember, like we have indications: flat foot, metatarsalgia, calcaneal spur. Calcaneal spur will be having few of them, and also for poor musculature of foot. Contraindications, as I said before, for Faddism under pressure. Home exercises, we should be walking on the borders of foot, spreading the toes, walking of pebble board, and we can use toes exercises. These are the home exercises you should be used. Next, thanks for watching. I hope so. It is very easy, sweet and simple. Thank you.